All right, let's get after it. S&P 500 is down 0.8% for the day. So obviously our bias today is bearish. Now the problem is that, not problem, but I don't see many entries for a bearish entry. Like I don't see many setups. I see an hourly fair value gap that I'll show you guys my screen on in a second. I'm finishing something up, and then other than that would have to be an intraday setup. I don't really see much. All right, so let's do it. So I'm gonna share my screen and boom. So we have a couple things, okay? If we zoom out, let's look at Nasdaq real quick. Let's go about it. This will be the analysis for both. But if we zoom out, we've been consolidating all week very clearly. Well, it's been a high. We're breaking a little bit low, but regardless, we've been consolidating all week, and we haven't seen any moves happen, which is why I haven't taken any trades. With that said, if today we have a breakout or something, we could possibly see a setup or a trade. I'll take it, but I doubt it because during pre-market I don't have anything. So we have 4-hour time frame, and we don't have any fair value gaps because price is sold off, and we don't have a fair value gap because candle isn't formed yet. Now we drop to the hourly, and there was a fair value gap, but it already got tapped into right here. It got tapped into here, but it's still valid. But I mean, I don't see price driving all the way up to here. But then over here on the second fair value gap, we have a 30-minute fair value gap that I just drew out. I extended it. Maybe we could see a 30-minute fair value gap retracement. I would consider that. That's about the only thing I would consider. Now, if we go to QQQ, wait, SPY? Or SPY, my bad. We have a hourly fair value gap that hasn't gotten fully filled. The hourly fair value gap started over here, but hasn't gotten fully filled, so I drew it down to where it hasn't gotten touched. So price would have to get into that imbalance and hopefully would shoot all the way down to down here if we're able to get into shorts. Now the thing is that we don't have an hourly fair value gap until all the way up here, and we don't have a 4-hour nothing, no fair value gap here. So we don't really have many setups today. On the 30-minute again, we have that same. I mean, we didn't have the 30-minute fair value gap here because there's a big space here. There's not fair value gap because of this wick. So right now we're just watching, see if we get like an intraday setup or we tap into that 30-minute, like I said. But we will patiently wait. Same thing for SPY. Price has been consolidating all week within this range. So there's not much to do. Not much to do and just wait. Maybe we'll get a buy up to that 30-minute. We'll get price action confirmation. I'll take it if we do. I'll go light on it, but I'll take it. Because of the fact that we're in a consolidation range, it would have to be good. It would have to end as a hanger, and I would take it. Other than that, if we inverse the hourly fair value up to upside, I will look for longs. But I doubt it. With like the way price action is, you could just tell that it's just not. It's not gonna be good. But obviously, we still show up and we give it a chance. So let's spectate what the heck happens. Let's see. Damn, I forgot to send you guys the morning prayer. Let me send it. Wow, what a sell off. Boom, chicka pop. Where's what is it I'm looking for again? I actually forgot. Let me see something. There we go. Okay. All right, so we just swept pre-market low on both ends. Well, no, actually, SMT divergence. We haven't swept there. I can't say an SMT divergence because there's still 4 minutes to go. But we have not swept pre-market low on SPY, on the 6400. On NASDAQ, we did, though. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see. What's up, buddy? Come here. Come here. It's my baby. Come here. Say hi. Alright. Let's see. Looks like we're gonna SMT divergence, so we might get that buy up. It is a decent sized buy up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Wow. Sheesh. Dude, what a move up. No, is this even already surpassed that level? I would like to see price get up there, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Patiently waiting, bro. Patiently waiting. Not gonna lie, the day I see my things I'm not even trading, or I think I'm gonna trade next week, but I can't like live trade, and I'm gonna trade from like my phone. But the day that I do get to trade, like the day I catch my setups again, I start seeing my setups when the market gets clear again, when Trump wants to stop doing some crazy things, um, I'm definitely gonna size bigger, bro. Miss it. Hmm. Want to move up. I like how I call it though. I call the moves off of like off of what you might call it. I forgot what I was gonna say. Sheesh. Then you guys made me lose the train of thought. Oh, off the set SMT divergence. I know when it's gonna do that, but it's just I gotta see what it does. What a move. Why doesn't price go higher? I do not know. Well, Nasdaq just tapped into that 30-minute for value gap that we were talking about, but S&P 500 already blew past it, so I see the friction that's seen is on those 30-minute for value gap that Nasdaq is trying to go through, but it should blow to that and go straight to the hourly fair value gap, and from there we'll see what happens. Probably no trades today though. It's not looking good. I actually want to write something down. Just forgot to write down. Guys, I'm actually looking for some shorts right now on Nasdaq. Hold on. It depends on this 15-minute candle ends. If it ends bearish or not. Nah, it's not. It's not. That was close. That was so close. It was so freaking close. Sheesh, that bought right back up. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, today's not gonna look like it's gonna be any trades. Very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. now it's gonna blow past that. And then I did see some sellers present there for a second, but it wasn't enough. Let me see. 13.